Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Tuesday, June 14th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. You started off lower overnight and gradually worked your way back higher, really fought off that pressure for majority of these contracts, and we're able to close up about 6.5 cents higher on the corn market, and then up a quarter to a half a cent on those front month soybeans, but deferred still down 9.5. So beans actually made quite a bit of headway off their lows, but nonetheless that deferred contract in the lows, and then the wheat market anywhere from 1 to 5 cents lower, as you had extremely negative markets, outside markets once again, with the dollar up over 70 cents at one point, anywhere from 55 to 70 cents higher, and weaker Dow, weaker crude market tends to put a little bit of pressure onto these commodities. So you fought off that. It does look like fundamentals are bearish at the time being, as everything looks great for weather conditions. You do have some heat coming through once again, but it looks like majority of the big I states in Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota do get that precip. The extended ones look to miss out on South Dakota, North Dakota a little bit, and then there's that pocket in the southern areas like Missouri and Kansas that are missing out and might have some crop damage there. But that pressure came off the fact that you had steady crop conditions for corn, actually 2% better in soybeans, and that is well above the pace and where we were at last year. So crop conditions are really great right now. Planting is wrapping up. Everything seems to be getting planted, that is. So you do have fundamental side of things that are bearish. Now this market isn't really fundamental based right now, it's a technical based market, so buying did want to come in here, and that's where you saw that support come through into the grain markets. Meat markets, kind of the same situation as corn and beans, were lower today by quite a bit, worked their way to close about a buck higher in live cattle, $1.50 lower, and $1.50 higher in feeder cattle, and then mixed over into lean hogs. So they were able to come back as well. Soft stayed lower from those negative outside markets, and like I said, you had that dollar up 70 cents at one point. That's a huge move. Moving forward, what we're looking at here in the later half of the week is going to be export sales. That's going to be a big deal moving forward, and then starting to get those estimates for what we're going to have planted acreage come out of June 30th crop report. I do have to close the disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk, loss, and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.